Good afternoon, Rich Nass, Embedded Computing Design, here with Stefan Skirin from IAR Systems. He's the CEO of the company. Good afternoon, Stefan.
Good afternoon, Rich.
We've been talking about lots of issues, actually. We've been kicking around some very interesting ideas, but we sort of keep circling back to safety and security. I know that's a very important aspect for IAR. What do you guys have going in the security space at the moment?
So I think we have a lot of things going on. I mean, if you take the big picture, we made a sort of a part of an acquisition. We took a stake in Secure Things that I think is, for the industry, a leading security sort of guru, if I could use that phrase. They've done a lot of things on the security side, and we're actually looking into a solution where we actually will bring security on the fingertips of the developers. But for us, it's a lot around code quality.
Mm-hmm.
I think it starts with code quality.
Mm-hmm.
We saw a trend when we launched our functional safety products a few years ago, that functional safety increased. It came in with the automotive, but it moved into other markets. We have now several products within functional safety offering. But what we usually do is that we try to position the customers within either safety or security. For safety, it's people and property.
Mm-hmm.
You do safe products, and security is more the malware, the fraud and all of that.
Right.
And in that, you also get automatically the security all the way down to the manufacturing side of life.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a lot of life cycle management,
Mm-hmm.
Not only authentication and certification side of that, but it's really bringing the application
Mm-hmm.
safe from the fingertips into the device itself.
Now, you answered a question before I could even ask it. Very often people use safety and security almost synonymously, but they're very different things.
Very, very different things. I think it's for us it's good if it's an English-speaking person, because in Swedish, for example, it's the same thing. It's one word for both of them. But to really separate safety and security, I think is important. It's an easy way to get confused when it comes to security. If you Google on, for example, interest in IoT security, 99% of it is all about the cloud,
Mm-hmm.
The connectivity to the cloud. You see all the problems in the cloud, but this is where we really want to bring it back to the core of the company, at the fingertips of the engineers. The functional safety is interesting also from the fact that we see that projects move into functional safety, but the
Mm-hmm.
functional safety project is fairly expensive with the customers, because it's not only our tools, it's the other tool, and then you need to make the whole process functional safety certified. But we see it spreading into more vertical markets, so I think it's interesting, but it gave us also an intro to the code analysis side of life, because it's also code quality.
Right.
And the latest product version we have of our ARM product is then supporting the latest C and C++ standards. Again, code quality and standards. So it all sort of ties together. So for us, it was a natural step, and then of course it's fun to take a stake in Secure Things and work more close together.
Very good. Thank you very much. Rich Nass from TechCon.